Morning everybody, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how I use my Umbrel Server as an internet exit node. So yeah, let's get into it. So welcome to the first tutorial of 2025. I guess the first thing I'll answer, and the first question everyone's probably wondering is what is an exit node, and what's the significance of having an exit node. So just to explain to you briefly, an exit node is where the traffic that you're routing through the internet gets passed to, and also for location trickery as well. So for an example, I'll just give you an example here. I'm at the hospital, so if I open my camera, I am by the ICU ward. I'm just sitting in where the lifts are. So I'm actually at the hospital. But also to make matters even a little bit worse, I am on an unsecured Wi-Fi. So if you go details, as you can see, it says connected non-secure because there's no password. And as you see, just like these Wi-Fi's that the phone's not connected to, they've all got locks. Well, the one that I'm connected to hasn't got a lock, so that means that it's a open network. So any traffic that goes from my device to the router is open end. There's no encryption. So anything I go on Facebook, YouTube, it will be broadcast in plain text, and anybody who knows what they're doing can intercept those packets and also decode it. So for example, if I was using Facebook on this network unsecurely, and a hacker decides to have a monitoring Wi-Fi card that gets packets out of the air, well, that's where you're at risk. But with what we're going to do is we're going to be using TailScale to route our traffic through my personal telnet to my router at home, through my router at home to my Umbrel server, and then what's going to happen is the traffic will get passed on from the server to the actual natural internet. So just an example, we'll use the speed test app and we will see what the internet provider is here. So it's saying that 2 degrees provides the internet here. So this is just a perfect example, but when I connect to the telnet and when I also use my server as an exit node, that will change in the speed test app. And what we'll do, just by curiosity, I want to see how fast it actually goes. Sorry, I know this is just out of the tutorial, but I just thought I would test it while I'm here. So yeah, this is the open network that we're using, and it's provided by 2 degrees. But what we're going to do now is we're going to exit this app. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our self-hosting side. We're going to go to TailScale. So we'll go connect. And then once it's connected, so what it's going to do is, even though this network is open and non-secure, it's going to create a encrypted VPN from my device to the telnet. So yeah, so at the top here you've got exit node. Actually what I'll do is, so if we go exit node, and I name my server-home. So what's going to happen now is any traffic will get, any internet traffic, whether that's Facebook, YouTube, will go from my phone through the telnet to my server at home, and then my server's going to pass it on. So personally I'm with Evolution Wireless. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the speed test app again, and as you will see, this will prove that I am using my internet at home. There we go, Evolution Wireless, and that's the internet provider I am personally with. And as you see, that changed once I connected to my TailScale, and using my device as an exit node. So any traffic that I pass through now, they're going to think my location is actually at my house, but in reality, as I said, I'm at the hospital at the moment. And also, since I'm on a non-secured Wi-Fi, all the traffic is encrypted, even though on this Wi-Fi things are unencrypted, so it creates an encrypted tunnel no matter what, regardless. The other reason why it's also good too, because people have to authenticate to your Telnet, and if they don't got your authentication credentials or the Gmail that's associated with your or whatever account you've thinged with TailScale, what's going to happen is they can't authenticate, so it's more secure. And I've been using TailScale with an exit node since I've been at the hospital, which was on Sunday. Now it's Thursday. So yeah, but let me show you how to set it up. So go to Chrome. I'll just use the Chrome browser for this, and now what we're going to do is we're going to type TailScale. Sorry, just because I'm on a phablet, so it's a bit yeah. So search that, Google research, set TailScale. So we're going to log into my TailScale online. So all this traffic is getting routed through the internet to my exit node at home, and then it goes out to the internet from there. So as you can see, if we zoom in over here, this is the server dash home. It's shared out to one person. The expiry doesn't think, and it's also classed as an exit node. So how you do this is you click into the machine, and when you go to I think it's the routing settings at the bottom. Hang on. I'm just trying to find it. Subnets. There you go, routing settings. So it says exit node over here. So it says allowed. So usually what you got to do is when you turn on exit node on your server, which I'll show you now, this won't become available until you turn it. So you can't check this box unless you've got the exit node function enabled on your server. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Umbrel Server, because that's where TailScale is held. So as I showed last year, this is I can access my server from anywhere. So as you can see, we've got TailScale. Oops. I've actually probably got to restart the container, because sometimes it plays up sometimes it does play up. So you've just got to restart the container, and that just reboots the TailScale container. So once this is rebooted, we should be able to access the TailScale container, and then after that we should be able to configure it. So go in, and this is now we just got to authenticate. Yes. It'll take me to the login screen because I've restarted the container. This is only for if you want to change the settings. If it just restarted, it should be fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in with Google.
This way, not that way.
And we're going to, yep, authenticate. So now we should be authenticated with. So I've already got exit node enabled. I've got exit node enabled already, but what you've got to do is you've got to actually enable exit node, and then where I was before in the TailScale main page, that's when you allow it, because you can't tick the box unless, as I said before, you've got to enable exit node from this page here that we're currently at. So this is how I browse the internet safely and securely on unsecured networks. I'm on this. I've been on this since, as I said, I've been at the hospital, being an unsecured network. I know that there probably ain't a lot of technicians around here that will do stuff like this, but you just never know. Just like the internet, there's dangers and there's safety precautions you can take, just like in real life. So, yeah, I just thought I'd show how to use your Umbrel server as an exit node. This is not the only device you can use as an exit node. I could actually use, I could actually use this device that I'm on as an exit node. So that means that I can use this as the output. So when other people are browsing the internet through my telnet, if I add them, their traffic will come through here if configured properly. So yeah, I just thought I would show how I use TailScale to use my server as an exit node. So without further ado, hopefully everybody has a good day. So people are just getting into the lift, so there's just the noise in the background. So everyone have a good day. Hopefully you learned something new. I just thought I would showcase how I use my Umbrel server as an exit node for so people would think I'm at home, or apps will think I'm at home when in reality I'm not. And also because I'm on an unsecured network where I am currently, and I don't want my traffic being snooped upon. It's not foolproof, but at the same time it's more secure than being on an unsecured network and just accessing your social media and services directly using just this unsecured network. So hopefully everyone has a good day, and until next time, happy 2025, and then until next time, ciao ciao.